Experience restoring century-old porcelain. In this porcelain repair kit, we have gathered folk porcelain with 100 years of history. We have also prepared a comprehensive set of tools for you to perform a museum-grade restoration. We hope it provides you with a rich experience. Finally, you can also experience a traditional Chinese craft jinshen. It involves using a golden coating to cover the gaps in objects, making the repair First, observation and record of damage. Wear gloves and observe the damaged areas. Clean the impurities from the broken areas using soft brushes, pottery tools, and blades. Clean as thoroughly as possible to prepare for the bonding work. Excessive attachments may hinder bonding. Second, fragment positioning. After cleaning, use label paper for fragment positioning. After completing the assembly, assess the missing parts, then disassemble in stages and use adhesive for bonding. Third, bonding. Use adhesive, hook line pen, and mixing board for bonding. Bond the damaged areas with adhesive. Standard usage. Apply adhesive with a slight thickness visible on the broken surface. Brush both sides of the connecting pieces with adhesive. Reinforce each bonded piece with label paper on both sides, adding multiple fixing points if possible. After bonding all pieces, adjust with both hands until satisfied. Then securely place the porcelain. Place in a shaded area for at least 48 hours or more. Proceed to the next step after confirming stable bonding. Fourth, cleaning adhesive traces. Clean excess adhesive traces by scraping off squeezed out adhesive with a blade. Use a pointed wooden stick from pottery tools to clean gaps. Fifth, filling gaps. Use a slanted wooden stick from the pottery tool set. Diluent transparent. Repair clay. And mixing board to mix repair clay to a sticky consistency. Tip: mix small amounts each time. Use what is needed. As repair clay dries quickly, apply the mixed repair clay to the gaps, using a generous amount. After filling all gaps, use a suitable tool from the pottery tools to lightly scrape off excess repair clay until a glossy surface is achieved. Sixth, polishing. Use wet sandpaper for polishing, from coarse to fine. Tearing into small pieces, polish the repaired areas until clean, delicate, and smooth. After polishing, the porcelain restoration is complete. Tip: do not discard the sandpaper, as it will be used in the subsequent gilding step. 7th. Gilding. Use gold powder, adhesive, mixing board, and a wooden spatula from the pottery tools to mix gold lacquer. Tip: take small amounts of gold powder each time. Mix with adhesive multiple times until it reaches a sticky consistency. Use the hook-line pen to apply gold lacquer to the seams. This step is to cover the repaired gaps with gold, making it more aesthetically pleasing. Place in a shaded area for at least 48 hours or more. After confirming solidity, repeat step 6th, polishing. Wipe off dust with a towel after polishing, and all restoration work is complete. Important principle of artifact restoration: experience. All materials and repair methods in the restoration work can be reversed. Repeatedly soaking the repaired porcelain in water at around 100 degrees Celsius can cause it to decompose again.